Hello friends, I Shiv Prasad Karo welcoming you all to my channel MSK Civil Engineering Tutorial, where we discuss the most important civil engineering concept and objective questions so that your exam can crack easily. So friends, today a great good news. I find that in this pandemic that West Bengal Public Service Commission advertised a vacancy regarding assistant executive engineer. Friends, we have to crack this exam in first attempt. Today's topic is that how we could crack the exam in first attempt. And the best thing today I will share is that the topic wise or the subject wise mark analysis. Which subject is important to you so that you could focus on that subject more so that your mark will be more. And what is the exam pattern? What is the syllabus? And the score booster, how to boost our score. So friends, without wasting our time, let us start our video. So friends, before going to any any other thing, first of all we have to cover the syllabus. What is the syllabus? Friends, West Bengal Public Service Commission follows the syllabus of engineering services examination, but the question are not the level of engineering services examination. Be sure. And the questions are not the quality of SSCJ. Those questions which are asked are the questions top from SSCJ and below from engineering services. So first subject given in syllabus is that theory and design of structure. This subject contains three paper: theory of structure and strength of material. It have two paper, that is theory of structure and strength of material. Steel design, that is design of steel structure, and design of reinforced concrete structure and masonry structure. Friends, masonry structure is a part which is come from engineering services, and you will get the maximum questions from masonry structure from engineering services. Second, fluid mechanics and hydraulic structure. In fluid mechanics, you have to learn the fluid properties: shear stress, shear flow, turbulent flow, hydraulic machines, these things. And in soil mechanics and foundation engineering itself, it is two subject, that is soil mechanics and foundation, FE. In foundation engineering, you will found questions from bearing capacity, pile foundation, deep foundation, and from soil properties, permeability. Those are the questions from the soil mechanics, and you have to go through the concept of all these questions. Next, surveying, construction material practice, planning and management. In construction material practice and planning management, subjects are building material, concrete technology, construction planning and management, quantity surveying. Friends, quantity surveying means this is estimation, a part of estimation. Next syllabus, highway engineering and traffic engineering. Friends, here itself already two subjects included: highway engineering and traffic engineering. And paper 8 is your water resources engineering. This subject contain hydrology, irrigation engineering, and hydraulic structure. Hydraulic structure means dam, where these structures. Then last part is your environmental engineering, which contains water supply engineering, wastewater engineering, and environmental pollution and control. So friends, next चलते हैं how we have the we have give the exam pattern. Friends, exam pattern given by the WBPSC that it is two stages. First stage your written examination, second stage is your personal interview. And written examination contain 200 mark and your interview contain 100 marks. And written examination there are 100 questions and each question carry 2 mark, 200 mark, and interview itself 100 mark. So total you will carry 300 mark. You have to score out of 200 150 plus your safe score, cause in interview marks are fluctuating each year. Friends, and the main thing is that duration of the questions are 2 hours, so don't go through more numerical and from the engineering services. Go through simple numerical which could be solved by your mouth itself. Then coming to next part, subject wise question analysis. This is the curious thing what we want. The first and most important subject is that soil mechanics and foundation engineering. That is, it contains 50 to 60 mark, and theory of structure and design of steel structure, it also contains 50 to 60 marks. Environmental engineering, it contains 25 to 30 marks. Highway engineering, it contains approximately 25 to 30 marks. Construction material management, it contains 20 to 25 marks. Surveying, 15 to 18 marks. Water resource engineering, 15 to 20 marks. Fluid mechanics and hydraulic structure, 10 to 12 marks. Friends, these approximate marks I have searched the previous year of questions, and therefrom I analyzed that these are the questions which are asked in the exam. Next, how we should boost our score. We have to practice more number of conceptual questions as much we can and learn some conceptual subjects from fluid mechanics, soil mechanics, and traffic engineering. These are the important subjects, and I will recommend you all to follow my channel MSK Civil Engineering Tutorial, where I will upload conceptual videos and objective questions and also one liner for each and every subject. Next, how we will crack our exam in one attempt. What should be our strategy? We have to first strategy is our complete each and every point of syllabus conceptually, not numerically, conceptually, cause questions are based on conceptual. And I will upload some previous year questions based on your interest. If you are interested, I will also upload more number of questions. And I have also already uploaded steel structure questions, the part connection, which carry more marks from steel structure. Around 7 to 8 marks will come from connection. Go through it and make short note. Next strategy, solve EAC paper as time given 2 hour question and with 100 questions, so no questions will be lengthy type questions, and the solve from previous year question and answer effectively. Effectively means practice more and more times same type questions. And exam date, this is the most curious thing, that exam date, when we will practice that, when will be the exam. Friends, as per my calculation, exam will be in December or January to March month. Friends, first of all, this will be announced officially and I predict that last month of 2020 or first quarter of 2021. Hello friends, this is my channel MSK Student Tutorial. If you find that my video is useful to you, then like, subscribe my channel, and I have already uploaded design of steel structure questions, and the series will go on from end, that is compression member and plate girder. Then I will upload design of concrete structure questions based on your syllabus. Subscribe my channel. As per my calculation, you people have 4 month time, and in 4 months you will carry around 120 days. That is my 120 days plan strategy. So subscribe my channel and go through the videos I have already uploaded. Thank you.